If your job feels stable on paper and shaky in your body, you're not imagining it. Current shift isn't following the old layoff playbook. There is no reset button waiting on the other side. It comes with massive reorganizations, jarring role changes, stalled promotions, and suddenly becoming less essential than you were last quarter. It's come with Doge, with government shutdowns, and with AI integrations quietly replacing workers and entire departments. Good people like you are getting nervous because you are seeing and feeling that the rules have changed. My name is Mark Byers. I've spent decades inside companies as a finance executive and restructuring advisor. I'm the person companies bring in when things stop working, when margins shrink, when teams get cut, when leadership has to decide who stays, who goes, and what gets automated. So when I tell you something is shifting, it's because I'm watching it happen from the inside. AI isn't replacing everyone overnight. It's doing something quieter. It's changing what's considered enough. It's compressing teams. It's rewarding people who can think, adapt, and execute independently. And it's exposing a hard truth most professionals were never taught to prepare for. A paycheck feels safe until it isn't. I stayed an employee longer than I should have because it felt responsible, having a family of 7, steady income, clear role, defined expectations. What I didn't realize was that I was helping to build other people's dreams while hoping mine would happen someday. The more I worked in corporate restructuring, the more I saw how expendable employees are, including me. I needed to secure my financial future and tie it to something I actually had control over instead of an employer who had all the control. This isn't about quitting your job tomorrow, and it's not about taking reckless risks or learning more skills. It's about building leverage while you still have options. It's about taking what you already know from your career and leveraging the same AI that threatens your job, using it as a tool instead of allowing it to be something that happens to you. It's about giving up overwhelm and AI fatigue and following a proven roadmap that reduces risk and shortens ramp-up time. There's a fundamental shift underway in the AI era. We call it the E2E revolution. Employees transitioning to entrepreneurship deliberately and strategically, leveraging the very tools that are disrupting traditional jobs. And for those already impacted by layoffs, E2E is not a fallback, it's a forward move with structure and control. That's why we built Break Free. It's a practical, no-theory program for professionals who want to control transition from employee to entrepreneur, guided by a battle-tested roadmap shaped by decades inside corporate finance, restructuring, startups, and real entrepreneurial wins and losses. No hype, no fluff, no pretending this is easy. If certainty is what you're chasing, the old rules no longer apply. Control comes from monetizing your existing skills, building systems that scale, and listening to what the market confirms through real demand and real buyers. This is for people who want to break free and are ready to stop waiting for permission. Make the transition and click below.